Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, I want to show you how to create a brand new wallet. Okay, I want to show you how to create your wallet, and I'll be using Trust Wallet as an example. I'll show you how to download the wallet. I'll show you how to, create the wallet. I'll show you how to save your seed phrase, and I'll show you how to secure the wallet to avoid being scammed or avoid somebody from gaining access into the wallet. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please give this video a like and please click on the subscribe button so that when I drop another tutorial, YouTube will notify you that I've actually dropped a tutorial for you to learn something very new. Okay, so let's dive right into the video without wasting much of your time, guys. Thank you. All right, guys, so I want to quickly show you how to, number one, download the wallet. Number two, guide you through on how to create the new wallet. And number three, I'll show you how to secure the wallet to avoid granting access into it to someone else without your knowledge. Okay, because somebody can actually, coerce you, into releasing, access into that wallet, and you will not even know it. You'll be thinking the person is trying to do you good. So let's dive right into it. So I'll go to my Google Play Store because that is where I'll be downloading it. This is Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and search. I'll search here. I'll search Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. I know you'll be asking me, so you don't have it in your phone? I do, but I actually uninstalled it for the purpose of this particular tutorial. So at this point, you should consider giving this video a like. Imagine me uninstalling, removing the app from my phone for me to show you how to do it. Okay, so give this video a like, please, and hit on the subscribe button. Thank you. All right, so having done that, you see this is the wallet, so that you don't download the fake one. If you scroll to this side, you see that it has 50 million downloads. 50 million downloads. Okay, you see that, and it has 4.4 star rating or review. Then this is 2 million reviews, so that you don't download the fake one. So you click on install. So wait for it to install. Once it's installed, it's very simple. You don't have to worry about it. Very soon now will be through. The video will not be long. So we are waiting. It's now at 20. It's even 30 something percent now. Okay, so it's downloading already. I want to show you everything from beginning to the end, every single thing. Okay, every single thing. I'll show you everything. Okay, so I'm not going to hide any part because the wallet I'm going to create from this particular tutorial, I won't be using it. Okay, so I will not hide any part from you. Okay, so we're almost done. This is 80% downloaded. Okay, all right, this is 90% downloaded, and we're almost done, guys. 95, 98, 100. All right, we are almost done. Almost done, guys. All right, it's fully downloaded. So the next thing we'll be doing now is to click on open. Click on what? Open. Okay, because I had I locked the app when I had it. I think now that it's back, it's showing me my fingerprint. So I'll put my finger to open it. You see what it's showing me now? Everybody should look at the screen, look closely. You see where it says create new wallet. Then the second part says I already have a wallet. You see that? So when I want to restore my own, this is where I'll click I already have a wallet. Then I'll now put my seed phrase for my old wallet. Okay, but for this tutorial I'll show you how to create a new wallet. Okay, you that is new to crypto, I'll show you how to. I'll click on this create new wallet. So that is where we're about to begin now to create a new wallet. All right, so I'll click on create new wallet. I'll click on create new wallet. I'll click on it. So if you are new here, okay, you say enter. This place says enter your passcode. Be sure to remember it as you can unlock your wallet. Okay, so I'm going to use, I'm going to use what we need here is six digits for the passcode. Okay, so you write them down somewhere so that you don't forget them. So I will choose a random code. I'll choose a random code. Okay, I'll choose a random code. So I'll just do, so that you see it, just choose 6 digits. Okay, then after inputting it, they will ask you to put it again to confirm that you remember the previous thing you put. So I'll put another 6 digits. Like I said, you need to write it down somewhere. So they are asking again, scan your fingerprint or face for secure and convenient access to your account. You see, now this is another layer of security. You see that this is another layer of what? Security. So don't say, just say confirm. Click on confirm. Okay, click on confirm. So I'll put my finger. It say turn on notification to keep track of prices. So I'll click on enable notifications. Enable notifications. I'll click on it. Allow. I'll click on allow. You see now, you say brilliant, your wallet is ready. You see that your wallet is ready. So I'll click on skip. Okay, so this is my brand new wallet. This is my brand new wallet. What am I supposed to do next? In case anything happens to this phone and I have like maybe $20, $100 inside this particular wallet, what do I do if the phone gets bad? How do I restore the wallet back in another phone? That is what I want to show you now. We call it seed phrase or secret phrase. So that is what I want to show you right now, how to actually get your seed phrase. Hello guys, so then how to do that, to go about that, you see here this up that they wrote main wallet 1. This place they wrote at the top main wallet 1. Click on it. Click on it like this. This place they wrote, you see now they wrote main wallet 1. There is a three dotted line here, 3 dots here. Click on it. See now I say secret phrase backups. Google Drive backup now. Then second option is manual backup now. So don't use, I don't advise anybody to use Google Drive. Don't use Google, use manual. So you click on this second one which says manual backup now. So you click on it. When you click on it, it will come to this place, say for your eyes only. Do you see that? Say for your eyes only. So you are going to check this. It says Trust Wallet does not have access to this key. Second says don't save this in any digital format. Write it on paper and store securely. So you acknowledge that you have read these two things by clicking this good by their sides. Click here and click here and click on confirm. If I click on confirm now, they will show me the seed phrase, 12 of them. I will write them down. Okay, I will write them down. Then they have told me already that it's for my eyes only, but for the purpose of this tutorial, you are going to see it. If you even try to use it to, put it in another phone, there's not I'm not using it for anything. It's just for this tutorial. So when you do your own, nobody should see it. It's for your eyes only. If you are on any platform and they are saying copy your seed phrase, paste it here, bring your seed phrase, paste it here, they want to steal your money. Oh, they want to take away everything. They want to take that wallet from you. So please be careful with this seed phrase. So I'll click on confirm. So these are the 12 seed phrase. I'll write it out. Voyage, orbit, urban is just for the purpose of the class. When you do yours, no eyes should see it. You write everything out. Write everything out. Write it on paper, a book that you can secure very well. Only your eyes will see it. Only your eyes will see it. I'm writing it out now. That's the same way you should write your own out. Okay, I'm almost done. Almost done. All right, I'm done now. All right, so this is it. If you look down here, they have also said, they say never share your secret phrase with anyone and store it securely. You see that? So I'll click on continue. So they will want me to confirm the positions of these things now. They will ask me to confirm number one. They want me to confirm it. Then they want me to confirm number 4, word number 4. Okay, word number 4. They say I should confirm word number 7. Number 7 is before. Word number 10, they say I should confirm word number 10, which is echo. You see, and true. I click on confirm. You see now I say manual active. It's showing active now. So I've backed up this particular wallet. So if anything happens to my phone and I get another phone, I want to have access, get this wallet back. I have $1,000 inside. I will need these 12 words to log into it again. You see that I only need these 12 words to have access into it. Whenever if I download Trust Wallet again, I'll need these 12 words to go into it. You see that? So guys, that is it on how to create a new wallet. Give this video a like, ask your question in the comment section. Please hit on the subscribe button, and if you want me to make any video or make any tutorial, say that in the comment section. And thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye. All right, guys, thank you for watching that little tutorial on how to create a brand new wallet. Okay, we use Trust Wallet as an example. If you have got questions arising from this video, go to the comment section and ask your question. And if you have any other thing in mind, you have a video that you want me to teach anything at all, go to the comment section and ask that question, and I'll be more than excited to answer you. Okay, I'll make that video for you. Okay, so give this video a like, click on the subscribe button, and share for others to learn as well. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one, guys.